Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this 8-bedroom, 7.5-bathroom house for sale. It is nestled in the serene coastal community of Galina in St. Mary. It is perfectly positioned, just 1 minute from the Caribbean Sea. This beautiful corner lot property offers the best of island living with dual entrances, a double-car garage, and a generously sized yard of 0.3 acres with a lush garden, ideal for relaxation or entertainment. Located only 20 minutes from Ocho Rios and less than 10 minutes from the Ian Fleming International Airport. This home is a rare blend of tranquility and convenience. Whether you're looking for a large family home, a vacation retreat, or an income-generating property, this well-appointed residence offers incredible potential. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 450,000, Jamaican 70.9 million, Canadian 644.1 thousand, Euro 413.3 thousand, or 349.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.